Spend the summer weekend with me. If you're new here, I'm Maria, a Filipina living in Victoria, and we're finally heading out for our first camping trip of the year. Since it's summer, my cousin and I decided to head up to Port Alberni for a camping trip. If you're looking to explore Vancouver Island this summer, you can definitely follow along with our itinerary because we stopped at some of the best attractions on the way. I'm going to break this down into different parts, but our very first stop was the famous Goats on the Roof in Coombs. So from downtown Victoria, it takes about 2 hours to drive up here, making it the perfect halfway mark to stretch your legs. Now, this isn't my first time visiting, but if you're heading towards Port Alberni or all the way to Tofino, this is right on the way. We actually got so lucky this time because the goats were out and about on the roof. The last time I came here, they were hiding, so seeing them right away was a great start. If you've never been inside the Old Country Market, it's a massive bustling spot. They sell everything from fresh, locally baked goods and specialty cheeses to unique international groceries and quirky souvenirs. After browsing the market, we headed over to Coombs Donuts. There's almost always a line here, but honestly, I think the wait is worth it for the experience. Plus, the line usually moves pretty fast. We decided to grab a few flavors, including their maple bacon donut. For me personally, it was just right in the middle. And if you love a classic sweet and savory mix, it's definitely worth a try. Overall, Coombs is always a fun, nostalgic stop to break up the drive. We got our snacks, saw the goats, and we're ready to head into Cathedral Grove before we go to our camping site. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me today. Make sure to follow along for more videos. Bye!